एक मिनट,
One minute.
1 minute.
मुस्कान 2 मिनट।
Someone is asking something. What happened, बेटा?
मैम मैं ये पूछ रही थी कि आपने ग्रुप में ऐसे लिखा था कि MCQ 1 to 5 नहीं है, तो मैम हमें MCQ नहीं लिखने के या फिर
1 to
जितने
5 नहीं है, but then you have to write from 6 7, no?
के मैम?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
written everything and I will send it.
Sorry.
Ma'am, start करूँ
हाँ.
मैम अब मैं टेक्स्ट बुक मैम मुझे एक डाउट है तो मैं आपको क्लास के बाद करूँ?
नहीं, अभी पूछ लो. चलो, continue, Muskan. Read aloud, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Journey from primitive man to settled life. Jabir and his family were going from Gandhinagar to Jamnagar in train. Sitting near the window, he saw trees, bullock carts, camel carts, rickshaw, bus, tractor, etc. He asked his uncle, when did this transportation start? His uncle put his hand on his back and said, train started in our country approximately 150 years back. Among all the vehicles which you are seeing on road, the bullock cart is oldest. Before it, thousands of years back, man didn't have any means of transportation. He used to go from one place to another place on foot.
Yes, my dear students, all this is journey from primitive man to settled life. If you remember, in the 5th standard, an extra lesson I had teach you, that is the life of the primitive man. Remember?
Yes,
Girls?
ma'am.
Okay, my screen has turned black.
Yes, ma'am.
I will present again, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
मैम क्यों लेफ्ट हो गए?
Network issue. See, mom.
Girls,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
by presenting, I
Yes,
pressed the
ma'am.
red button and I was out.
मैम आप टेक्स्ट बुक भेजने वाले हो ग्रुप में?
हाँ, पूरी टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं, एक लेसन, ओके?
मैम ये वाली भेजने वाले तो
हाँ,
चैप्टर
हाँ,
के।
हाँ. And it is, sorry, it is very cheap if you want to purchase. It is not that costly. You can purchase also social science textbook. Hardly 50 rupees के अंदर आ जाएगी. बोलो.
मैम 45 रुपीस की है।
हाँ, hardly couch ना कि it will be hardly of 50 rupees.
आप तो पीडीएफ भेज दो मुझे।
चलो.
डाउनलोड
हैं?
होती है।
Chalo, all of you mute your mics.
Ma'am, can I read it?
Now see, what is in this lesson? If you remember in the previous classes, I have already made you understand about the journey of primitive man, how the man started living his life from hunter and gatherer, right? Then how he invented the wheel, then how fire was invented, discovered, and how after the discovery of wheel, the life of the early man changed, primitive man. So in this lesson, we are going to learn from his journey from primitive man to settled life. Okay, how he started to settle near the river banks, है ना? All this we are going to learn in this lesson. For example, in this first paragraph, it is said that when Jaibir was going with his family from Gandhinagar to Jamnagar in the train, where he was going? In the train. And sitting near the window, what did he saw? He saw trees, bullock carts, camel carts, rickshaws, bus, tractors, etc., etc., all the vehicles. So, what did he do? He asked his uncle a question. What question did he ask? Okay, when did this transportation start? So his uncle replied, okay, this transportation, this railway lines, all this in our country, train started before 150 years. Very long back. है ना? Among all the vehicles, bullock cart is the oldest. Then started camel carts, bullock carts, right? Primitive man, he started the bullocks. He trained the bullocks for the agriculture purpose. Camel carts were started to carry the loads from one place to another ways, and this way slowly and gradually from the camel carts, bullock carts, auto rickshaws, and many different new innovations. Today we can see cars, we can see planes, right? All these means of transportation started before after many years. But first of all, man moved from one place to another place on foot. On what did he move? On foot, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So primitive man and nomadic life. First we will see. What we will see? Nomadic
Nomadic
life.
life.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. Very good. Chalo. Who will read this
Primitive,
paragraph?
ma'am.
Iman was asking for permission. Iman, read.
Primitive man and nomadic life. Primitive man means people of very old time, approximately 20 years ago. He lived a nomadic life and spent his time by hunting. The stage of human is called a hunter and gather. He used to gather his food by hunting animals like deer, fishes and birds. Other than this, they collected roots and fruit for their food. It was not the that easy. Sometimes wild animals attacked him. Moreover, some of the animals were nasty during, so it was not easy for primitive man to catch them. Those primitive men used it to wander from one place to another in search of food. Those learned which fruit and roots to eat and which not to eat, as many of them were poisons. Animals like deer, sheep, goat, very easy to hunt. So primitive man used to wander from one place to another in search of them. Moreover, water being essential for life, they used to settle near the sources of water. Places of human habitations of primitive man in India. Archaeologists, anthropologists, and historians have to get.
Yes. So primitive man and nomadic life. Primitive man means people of very old time. That is primitive man. Approximately, my dear students, 20 lakh years ago. कितने years ago?
20 lakh years ago.
Yes.
20 lakh.
Yes. How many years ago? 20 lakh years ago. कितने years ago?
20 lakh years
20
ago.
lakh years ago.
Yes. Approximately 20 lakh years ago, primitive man led a nomadic life and spent his time by hunting. We know that, right? We have learned in fifth standard. Like these stages of the man is called what? Hunter and gatherer. What it is called?
Hunterer and gatherer.
Yes, this type of life is called hunter and gatherer. What it is called?
Hunterer and gatherer.
Yes,
Hunter and great.
yes, hunter
Hunterer.
and gatherer. Now, this primitive man, he moved from one place to another place in search of food by hunting animals like deer, fishes, and birds. Over then, over there, this they collected roots and fruits of their food. It was not that easy, boys, girls. It was not that easy. Sometimes wild animals also attacked them. Moreover, some animals were fast running. So it was not easy for the primitive men to catch them. उनको पकड़ना easy नहीं था. It was not easy for the primitive men to catch them. Thus, primitive men used to wander from one place to another in search of food. How did the primitive men wander from one place to another in search
For
of
searching
food?
food.
For
Thus,
searching food.
yes, thus he learned. Yes, thus he learned, beta, which fruits and roots to eat and which not to eat. Why? Because many of them were poisonous. कुछ जहरीले भी होते, तो उनको नहीं खाने का उनको समझ में आ गया. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. So animals like deer, sheep, goats were easy to hunt. What were they, beta? They were very easy to hunt, right? So primitive men used to wander from one place to another in search of them. What did the primitive men do, beta?
In search of
Yes,
land.
he wandered from one place to another in search of them, in search of food. Moreover, water was being essential for life. They used to settle near the sources of water, like near river banks and all that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Miss Kajik, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Places of human habitation of primitive man in India. Archaeologists and anthropologists and historians have together found out many places of habitation of primitive man. Along with it, they have also found out information about implements used by them. They used implements and weapons made of stone and wood. Sometimes they even used implements made up of bones,
Implements. Implements.
implement,
Yes.
implements made up of bones, since the lives of hunter and gatherer and wanderers are associated with stone technology. This time is called Paleolithic.
Ma'am, now can I read Kulsum?
Yes. So, places of
Yes,
human habitation of primitive man in India. Archaeologists, anthropologists, and historians, they all have together found out many places of habitations of primitive man. Along with it, We have also find out information about implements used by them. They use implements and weapons made of stone as well as wood. है ना? कैसे बनाते थे वे? Sometimes even bones. किससे बनाते थे weapons primitive man?
Bone, stone,
stones, leaves, and
लीव से नहीं बनते बेटा, लीव से थोड़ी
bones.
बनते weapons.
Bones.
Hmm? Very good
Bones.
stone.
bone, stone, wood.
Bones,
हाँ,
stone,
very good.
wood.
Stone, wood.
Bones, हाँ, bones, stones and wood. Or sometimes they used to also sharpen these tools. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. Understood till here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to see the important topic of the story of fire and wheel and their uses. Okay.
Ma'am, can I read?
Okay, ma'am.
What is your good name, beta?
Ma'am,
Alina
can I
Kholi.
read the thing?
Ma'am, can I read Kulsum?
Tathir can read Tathir.
Yes.
Tathir.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Runs of ash.
Just spelling out and Tathir. Read करवा रहा हूँ तो explain करे pronounce करता है.
Ma'am, Tatir left. Can I read?
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can I read? Alina Kholi.
Alina,
Can
read
I read?
beta.
Can I read?
Cave of Bhimbetka. Discovery
Ma'am,
of
can I read?
fire and wheel and their uses. Ruins of ashes found in the caves of primitive man in Kurnool in South India indicate that they were familiar with fire. A spear historians approx, approximately 11 11,000 years ago. Humans started using fire. Use of fire had revolutionized. Ma'am, what is this?
Spelling read करो. Revolutionized.
Revolutionized their life because with the help of it they could cook the meat and eat, get light, and protect themselves from wild animals. Other than fire, wheel are also revolution revolution their life. They learned to make wheel from tree trunk and think wood, changing
Yes,
environment.
very good. So
Around
discovery of fire and wheel and their uses. What is it? We are going to discuss. What we are going to discuss in this? Discovery of fire and wheel and their uses. Ruins of ashes. Ashes means what? Anyone knows?
Ashes. Please repeat the question, please.
Huh?
Ma'am, please repeat the question, please.
Ashes means what?
Ashes. Ma'am, ashes means.
Hmm?
Ma'am, let me think.
them 2 minutes.
No one knows what is that. You don't need to find from Google. Whatever you know, you say. Okay. Ruins of ashes which are found means what? कि any rack. Okay? Rack. When we fire something, तो जो पीछे छूटता है that is known as ashes. है ना? तो ऐसे ashes found out हुए caves of primitive men in Karnal in South India, then caves of Bhimbakta. You can see this is caves. Okay, these are caves. It is found in Bhimbakta caves also. Yes, that indicates that they were familiar with fire. What I said, fire से जो भी जलता है like paper, then wood, right? तो उसके जो ashes पीछे रहते हैं जिसे राख कहते हैं, right? तो उनसे हमें ये पता चलता है कि this ashes are useful for what? For what?
Useful for the caves.
Yeah, so they are used for understanding that they were also using fires. Primitive men were also using fires, right? As per historians, approximately 11,000 years ago. कितने years ago?
11,000 years
11,000.
ago.
11,000 years.
Yes, humans started using fire. Use of fire had revolutionized their life because with the help of fire they could cook the meat, right, and eat and get light and protect themselves from wild animals. Yes, understood everyone?
Yes,
Other
ma'am,
than
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
other
ma'am.
other than fire, wheels also revolutionized their life. They learned to make wheels from tree trunks and thick wood. How did they learn to make wheels from the tree trunk? तो ट्रंक आती है ना ट्री की लंबी सी,
ma'am,
है ना?
repeat.
They learned to make wheels. Wheel from what? From tree trunk and the thick wood. Right? Understood? Then changing environment. Yes, Muskan, continue with that.
Yes, ma'am. Changing environment. Around 12,000 years ago, there was a widespread change in the atmosphere of the world. Due to increase in temperature, ve- vegetation and grass field started growing
Vegetation.
in
Vegetation नहीं. Vegetation.
vegetation and grass field started growing in many areas of the world. As a result, number of grass-eating animals, herbivores like deer, sheep, goat, etc., increased. Primitive man certainly got benefits of it. They started studying these animals' behavior and thus their mental development started. They came in contact with grass, trees, vegetation, as well as wheat, barley, and other grains due to climate change. By using stones, women, men, and children collected grains. Because of this curious instinct, slowly agriculture started in India. People started using stones to grow grains. They started growing grains near the banks of the rivers and constructed their houses made up of mud, thatch, hay, and other is materials in the nearby areas. As a result of it, their nomadic life came to an end and started a settled life. The first companion or friend of his settled life was a dog. Besides, he was also familiar with sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, pig, etc. Gradually, they started adjusting with them too. These
Yeah.
animals protected them from wild animals, thus, they associated with animal husbandry also along with farming. However, research is being carried out to find out how long he had been using animals to get milk.
Yes, very good. So, changing environment, the most very good topic of the lesson. You know, beta, कितने years पहले? Around 12,000 years ago. How many years ago we are talking about? 12,000
12,000.
years. uh, there was a widespread change in the atmosphere of the world. How was the change, beta? Widespread change. कैसा चेंज था?
World.
Widespread change in the atmosphere of the world due to increase in temperature, vegetation, and grass field started growing in many areas of the world. What did it started growing, beta?
Still many areas of the earth.
Yes, many things started growing, like temperature started changing, vegetation and grass field started growing in many areas of the world. As a result, number of grass eating animals, जिसे हम herbivorous animals कहते हैं, okay? Carnivorous animals are what? They eat grass also and they eat the animals also, meat of animals also, right? So herbivorous animals like deer, sheep, goat, etc. increased. What happened, beta? Deer, sheep, goat increased. Primitive man certainly got benefits of it. What did he got, beta?
Profit.
Benefits.
Benefits.
Profit nahi, benefits. They started studying this animal's behaviorism and thus their mental development started. Animals behaviorism studying करने लगे means what? They didn't start going to the school. Did they start? No. But how did they study the animals' behavior? By training
Mental
them.
development.
By training them. How they started training animals? You remember I taught you in the last year class?
Yes, ma'am.
How they started training animals?
By the
By how? Which animal was trained the first? No one remembers?
Chira. Chira.
Huh? Huh? Which animal was tamed first by the primitive man? Remember? Dog.
Dog.
Huh. Today also people tame a lot of dogs, right? They give him training, dogs को training देते, right? But then they started taming other animals like deer, sheep, goat, right?
Etc.
They started studying
And cat.
their behaviorism, like how the goat and sheep are useful. Deer कैसे sheep कैसे useful होती है? It gives us wool, goat gives us milk, right? This way, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Kulsum,
Yes,
revise the first paragraph which I explained right now.
yes, ma'am. Changing environment. Around 1230 years gone, there
एक बोला
was
बोल तो फरीથી वाच तो
around 112 crore years
कुलसुम
ago.
समझाते टीचर સાંભળ્યું નહીં તે 12,000 બોલાય 1 2 crores બોલાય 1 2 3 zeros ના બોલાય 12,000 years ago
12,000 years ago, there was a WIDERPRED
widespread
wild, widespread change in the atmosphere of the world due to insects in the TEM TEMPERATURE
temperature
temperature as ta- tan and grass fell starting growing in many areas of the world as a result of number of grass-eat animals, herbivores like deer, sheep, cow, etc. increased increased peri-
Encouraged नहीं, increased.
increased peri what is it ma'am?
वाचो spelling.
PRIMITIV
Primitive.
primitive man satire gods the facts of it then started study these animals herbivore and these their mental di- div- development antidote deployment started. Ma'am, 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 man is telling, hey, you are copycat. I search my sister name, then I did this one is come, no? Then I this one, then I मैं रखे हैं कि जो copycat
एक मिनट